Ukrainian drone teams are hammering Russian forces all along the front. Shocking drone videos show up daily, proving not just how fierce the fighting is, but also that Ukraine's drone pilots are now top dogs in this kind of war. Near Siversk, one video caught a Russian armored vehicle, a BMP, moving across open ground. The crew probably had no idea a Ukrainian kamikaze drone had locked onto them. The drone flew straight and true, hitting dead on. Seconds later, the vehicle blew up violently. A huge blast likely caused when the drone set off ammunition stored inside. Metal pieces flew everywhere. The vehicle burst into flames almost instantly. This hit was pulled off by a drone pilot from the 3rd Mechanized Battalion, Ukraine's 54th Mechanized Brigade, a unit that's seen tons of action in this drone war. It's unclear if soldiers were riding inside, but judging by the massive explosion, surviving seems impossible. Meanwhile, near the village of Kostiantynopil in the Pokrovsk area, Ukraine's elite 79th Separate Assault Brigade sent in their 3rd Air Assault Battalion to push back against Russian troops. They found several wrecked Russian armored vehicles and tanks left behind with hatches open, a clear sign the crews had run for their lives. Ukrainian drone pilots jumped on the chance, using small bombs dropped with perfect aim that tossed explosives right inside the open vehicles. These second hits made sure the vehicles were completely wrecked, smashed beyond any hope of fixing or using again. Millions of dollars worth of Russian military gear was destroyed using homemade bombs costing just hundreds of dollars. The difference in cost is huge and shows how strong Ukraine's drone attacks have become. Further southeast, near the contested border, a special drone unit of the border guards called the Phoenix UAS Regiment was covering a wide area. Their job: stop Russian armored attacks before they start, watch for enemy troops sneaking in, and take out threats before they can get stronger or regroup. In one case, 3 Russian soldiers on motorcycles rode into a wooded spot thinking no one saw them, but the Phoenix unit was already watching. The Russians parked near a small clearing. Before they could even get off their bikes, a Ukrainian drone zoomed in low, its bomb exploding on impact. All 3 soldiers were killed instantly. The motorcycles were blown into mangled metal. The Phoenix unit also hit Russian tanks operating nearby, using both FPV drones and bombs dropped from above to disable or destroy them right where they stood. Even heavily armored vehicles couldn't stand up to Ukraine's increasingly precise and aggressive drone tactics. Phoenix pilots kept up constant attacks on known or suspected Russian hiding spots, flying dozens of missions every day. Targets included armored vehicles, turtle tanks, jamming equipment, and hidden ammo stashes. Each strike didn't just kill enemy soldiers or wreck gear, it also piled on the fear, forcing Russian troops to leave equipment behind or change plans while under attack. Even when outnumbered in some spots, the Phoenix Regiment's smart, fierce attacks, backed up by accurate spotting info and quick drone launches, left Russian forces confused and running away.